Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good morning to all of you. Thank you from sini. First of all, I want to thank from sini as an organizer and also the volunteer. I think they have well organized the workshop and symposium that we have in 2 weeks here. I'm very glad to be one of the participants of this workshop. Of course, I learned a lot from the for the world expert on that from hydrology, also from the China experts, and also I learned a lot from your all presentation. I think you're a good job in your country in the eco-hydrology. Of course, when from this workshop and from this symposium, I learned a lot from what is engineering eco-hydrology. I think the engineering eco-hydrology is more on the how we integrate the engineering